Have you ever wondered why we get hiccups? I mean, ever since childhood, we've been told that hiccups occur when someone is thinking of us, but what is the actual reason? Let me explain. Look, situated beneath our lungs and above our stomach is a muscle called the diaphragm. Normally, the diaphragm contracts when we inhale, creating space for the lungs to fill up with air. However, here is what happens. When we eat too quickly, stuffing ourselves so much that there is absolutely no room left in the stomach, our stomach distends. This distension irritates the diaphragm, and it is precisely this irritation that triggers our hiccups.